So today we're going to make a video, upflow furnace versus downflow furnace. So upflow means the air flows up. In this furnace, the air is coming in the bottom and it's going up. In this furnace over here, the air is coming from the top, going down, and going down. This is downflow. This is upflow. And why am I writing on these furnaces? Because they're old and they're going in the garbage. These furnaces are described as 50% efficient. And I'm not sure how accurate that is, but it's about the right ballpark. Upflow furnace. Downflow furnace. Well, there's a difference here. Let's get a closer look. So, upflow furnace. As you can see, the air comes in the side. That blower wheel right there, run by that motor, pushes the air up, up, up through the heat exchanger, picks up the heat, the air comes through here into your home. This here is your natural draft venting. As the gas comes through the gas valve, it goes through the burners, oxygen is added, it mixes and burns, and then you have secondary oxygen coming through here, venting up out your chimney. This is your downflow furnace. There's your filter. When you don't clean it, it looks like that. And there's your blower motor on the top. There's your motor, your blower wheel housing. The air gets sucked in, and the air goes down through the burners. And in this case, what we're going to do is show you the bottom of this furnace, which is extremely heavy, and I'm not going to enjoy moving it in the first place or second place, but the air will go and as you can see, the heat exchanger is in the bottom of the furnace. And the heat exchanger in this one is in the top. Top means upflow. Heat exchanger in the bottom. This is a heat exchanger, if people are wondering. So that is the difference between an upflow and a downflow furnace. And these just happen to be two Lennox furnaces. Thank you much for watching. I'm Daryl with Comfort Environment from Calgary, Alberta.